Welcome everyone to our channel. Today's video, guys, we're heading to the restaurant and Filipino buffet restaurant. So we just done church service. So hindi naman ito masyadong malayo ang guys, mga 10 minutes drive. So time to eat. So I got some crab. So this restaurant, guys, is only buffet. So everything is only. So crab is our favorite. So the sushi, it's really good. So every Sunday kami pupunta dito, guys, sa Asian buffet. Very recommended restaurant, guys, kasi napaka clean and malinis talaga ang restaurant nila. So some our friends nag-invite kami sa Filipino ladies, si Ate Faye at si Ate Ruby. So si Ate Ruby, guys, is from San Fernando sa Cebu lang, malapit lang kami. She's staying in San Fernando and kami sa Karkar. So we're closer. So si Ate Faye is in sa Cebu. Si Ate Faye is Cebu as well, pero nalimutan ko saan sa Cebu. Parang siya sa Mabolo, parang Mabolo siya sa Cebu City. Or sa Liti pala. No, hindi Liti. Parang nalimutan ko. So, sorry, nalimutan ko ang place ni Ate Faye. Kasi may Christian church din sila, si Ate Faye, sa Cebu. Basta sa Cebu, nagpa-plan rin kami na mag-visit doon. Nalimutan ko yung pangalan sa place. So, I will ask again kung saan. So, napakasarap talaga ng shrimp, guys. Kaya ulit-ulit, always akong ng shrimp at crab. Si Althea, guys, napakaliit lang ang kinakain yan. Hindi siya masyadong kumakain kasi after that, guys, mag-vomit si Althea. So, small lang talaga ang ikainin niya. And then, I got some ribs. Barbecue ribs. It's a good as well. So, per person pala, guys. Per person is $15. And then, the kids, mga 5-year-old, below 2 years old is free. And 3 above is not free. So, $8 ang kids na 3 above. So, not bad. It's worth it kasi yung twins is kumakain naman ng marami, pero si Ted hindi kumain ng marami ngayon kasi not feeling well. My twins, si Ted, kakaano lang siya, kakahilang ng fever ni Ted, guys. Nahawaan siya ni Jed. Si Jed, Tuesday, may fever Tuesday, and then si Ted, Thursday, may fever si Ted. So, we're glad that naka-join pa rin kami sa Sunday service. So, yeah. After church service, talaga punta kami dito sa Asian buffet kasi napakasarap. Kaya hindi ako pumapayat kasi napakaraming makain ko kapag pupunta kami dito. Pero lunchtime ito, guys. Avoid na ako mag-dinner kasi napakadaming nakain ko sa lunch na ito. Kaya hindi na kami mag-dinner ni Aaron. Ang kids na lang mag-dinner. So, ganyan, ginagamitan ko ng stick ang crab para makuha talaga sa ilalim. Yung crab is napaka-crispy ng balat guys, napakasarap kainin ng ang shell sa crab, napaka-soft. Yung seasoning niya is napaka-delicious. May pagka a little bit salty yung seasoning sa crab, pero hindi naman masyado, masarap talaga siya. Yung ladies namin sa church, first time ni Ate Ruby dyan sa Asian Buffet. First time nila nag-join at nagpunta sa Asian Buffet, at they said the food it's really good. So nagustuhan nila ang food guys sa Asian Buffet. So yeah, very recommended restaurant. It's really good. So to all my friends in US na malapit sa Asian Buffet, nandito lang kami sa Cibulo, Texas. And then familiar yan sa ibang mga friends namin dito, pero mostly yung mga friends namin sa church hindi nila alam itong restaurant, kaya sinabi ko sa kanila na masarap, kaya i-try ninyo. So nag-join sila at na-enjoy naman sila guys, nagustuhan nila ang food. Si Althea walang kibo-kibo kasi yan siya, napaka slow niyang kumain kasi may retainer si Althea guys. Kapag kumakain yan, hindi yan masyadong nagsasalita. So nagvo-voice over ako today because si Aaron is napakadaldal at napakaingay niya guys. Kahit anong topic ni Aaron, kaya nag-voice over tayo nito. So everyone, thank you so much again for always there to support our videos since from the start. To all my silent viewers, thank you so much. God bless to all of us, and keep praying, keep going sa mga dream sa ating channel. And so our twins, si Jade guys, is his favorite is the crab. And so that's it for today's video guys. Thank you for watching everyone. Bye bye.